Hi all, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Good
good
morning.
morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. So let me start this session. So today I'm gonna explain about what is MuleSoft. So what is the use of this MuleSoft and how is the market for this MuleSoft. So everything I'm going to explain in detail. Before moving to this, so let me introduce myself. Okay. So my name is Kishore Reddy. I do have total, 11 years of experience into software industry. So initially, I started my career as a software engineer with IBM. So after that, I switched to, many organizations. Right now, associated with one of the product-based company. And also, recently I completed my architect exam as well. So I can say now I'm a MuleSoft architect. Okay, this is small intro about me. Next, student introductions. So this slide I'm going to skip for this, why? Because we do have almost 22 participants are here. So if you take at least 1 minute everyone, almost half an hour will be wasted. So we will come to know each other, like I'll create one WhatsApp group. From there we will talk. Okay.
Fine,
Next.
sir.
Yeah. So next, what is MuleSoft? So before coming to this, demo session, already, you went through so many websites and you attended a couple of demos with the other institute, with the other trainers, right? So according to you, can someone tell me what is MuleSoft?
MuleSoft is an integrated tool, sir. Actually, it interacts many other software s- in single unit. So that is the main purpose of MuleSoft.
Very good. Any other answer?
Mule is a donkey name, male donkey name.
Okay. So first of all, what is this MuleSoft? Okay. So if you Google it, MuleSoft, what will be? Not .com. Did anyone try it in the Google? Can you see? MuleSoft is nothing but it is one of the software company. So which is located in San Francisco, California. Can you see here? MuleSoft LLC is a software company headquarters located in San Francisco, California, that provides integration software for connecting different kinds of applications. Understood? So first thing I can say, MuleSoft is one of the software company. This company is going to provide some integration tool. Okay. That integration tool, we can call it as a MuleSoft. Okay. This MuleSoft is, founded in the year 2006. Okay. 2006 April to July. Okay. So up to 2009, we won't call it as this as a MuleSoft. Okay. This we can call it as a MuleSource. Okay. So after that, what happened? Up to 3 years, MuleSoft was, very difficult only. Why? Because earlier we have starting version is Mule version 3. In the Mule version 3, what will happen? We need to use some Java. Okay. So if you are capable, see, some people, they don't like programming, frankly telling. Okay. Some people, what will happen? They will think, okay, programming is, too much difficult. I cannot write functions. I cannot, write script and all these things. But what these guys, they use still Java in the integration. So that time what will happen? many people, they cannot learn this MuleSoft. Okay. So initially they will call it as this name as a mule source. Can you see it here? Mule source. Okay. After 2009, okay, they changed this name as mule source to MuleSoft. Why they mention this name as a MuleSoft? Why not Aditya Soft to Birla Soft? Earlier they mentioned this name as a mule source, right? See, mule source and పెట్టారు, మళ్ళీ MuleSoft అని ఎందుకు మార్చారు? Any reason? Anyone knows? No answers?
No, sir.
Okay.
No ideas.
ఆల్రెడీ ఒకరు చెప్పారండి, మ్యూల్ అంటే ఏమనంటే మేల్ డాంకీ అని. ఓకే. సో డాంకీకి MuleSoftకి వాట్ ఇస్ ద రిలేషన్ అంటే, సో బేసికలీ here we are going to eliminate the donkey work here. Understood? So what donkey will do?
Actually, it is a crossbreed of both donkey and horse.
That is okay, but usually what is the male donkey work? What donkey will do?
Basically, it
Hardware.
is used for transportation work, luggage
Ah.
carrying and everything.
If you keep, huge luggage also, what this donkey will do? It is keep on moving. It won't say anything, right? So that's why many people will say, hey, don't do hard work, do smart work, don't do donkey work. Okay. Donkey work is nothing but, see here, MuleSoft is nothing but we are going to eliminate the donkey work. Okay. We need to handle our work in a soft manner or smooth manner. So that's why they mentioned this name as a MuleSoft. Okay. So if you want to write a hello world program, okay, so what we will do in, see, if you take C or C++, I hope many people much familiar about this C and C++, right or wrong? In school, colleges you studied, right? So if you want to write simple hello world program, okay, at least you need to write 8 to 10 lines of code, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
సో ఒక చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలంటే ఒక 10 లైన్స్ రాయాలి కదా హలో వరల్డ్, అట్లీస్ట్ 6 లైన్స్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, నేను ఒక్క ఈవెన్ సింగిల్ లైన్ కూడా కోడ్ రాయకుండా జస్ట్ మెసేజ్ లో హలో వరల్డ్ అని రాస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు నేను దీన్ని సేవ్ చేస్తున్నా. సో ఇదంతా దీని గురించి, అసలు ఇది ఏంది, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ టూల్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ ద కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్. See, anyone from different state who don't know Telugu? Everyone can understand, right? Telugu?
No.
Okay, only one guy. Okay, cool.
Yeah, just speak English only, I guess.
Yeah, sure. Okay, cool. So in other programming languages, if you want to display a simple program, we need to write so many lines of code, right? But whereas in MuleSoft, see, I did not write any single line of code, but here I can print the hello world message. See, now if I come back here, can you see hello world? Did I wrote any single line of code over here?
No.
No, but still I am getting this output. So this is how we can eliminate the donkey work. Okay. In MuleSoft, I can say there is no coding. Everything will be connections and configurations. Then some people, they may ask you, hey, without writing code, how we are getting this output? Okay. So what will happen, the moment I drag and drop any components or connectors here, automatically code will be generated in the form of XML in the backend. Can you see? Right? So now what I'll do, I'm going to delete everything. I'll show you again from scratch. So why I'm explaining all this? Only because of how they mention this name as a MuleSoft. Okay. Okay. By default, we do have. Okay. Or else I'll create one brand new project. You can understand very easily. Okay. Let me create a project. Project name as Hello World. Let me click on finish. Guys, please go on mute. Okay. See. Now, can you see here three options: message flow, global elements, configuration, XML. See, by default, we have 4 lines of code. Okay. Right. Now, let me drag and drop some components or connectors. See, the moment I drag and drop this component, automatically code will be generated in the form of XML. Can you see? Now 10 lines. Earlier 4, right? 4 or 5. Now 10 lines. Did I wrote any single line of code here?
No, sir.
No.
No, but still code, it got generated in the backend. Okay, so that's why they mention this name as a MuleSoft. Okay, we are going to eliminate the donkey work. Okay, so that's why they mention this name as MuleSoft. Okay, or else they will keep some other name. Okay, so earlier they mentioned this name as a MuleSource, then they renamed it, MuleSoft. Okay, this was developed and started in the year 2006. After that, in the year 2018 May, Salesforce acquired this organization. Okay, have you heard about Salesforce?
Yes.
So Salesforce is one of the big company. Okay, so before acquiring this 2018, before 2017 also, for MuleSoft, lot of opportunities are there. Why? Because tool is very easy, no coding. It is going to support all kind of integrations. So that's why most of the companies, they are using this MuleSoft. So it is huge. It was good demand. Now still it is topmost integration tool in the world. Okay, so that's why Salesforce acquired this organization. Salesforce itself, very huge organization. Whatever the projects, imagine if you have Salesforce, some 500 projects. Okay, all 500 projects, they are going to use integration as MuleSoft itself. Why? Because they brought this, they acquired this organization. Understood? So that's why nowadays there is a huge market is there for this MuleSoft. So many opportunities are there, good packages will be there. So that's why I can say it is one of the leading integration tool in the market. Is this clear? Any questions in this slide? Okay, so let me go to another slide. So what we discussed up to now. So what is MuleSoft? Why they mention this name as a MuleSoft? When it is founded? Okay, everything we discussed. So as we discussed, MuleSoft is nothing but it is an integration tool. So what do you mean by integration? Anyone having any idea?
Transform the data.
Very good. Okay. So let me explain you in two ways.
Doing ETL work?
Okay, cool. Okay, so let me explain you in two ways. So one is general definition, another one is technical definition. Okay, so integration is nothing but the communication between any two is known as integration, like between two softwares or between two human beings. So all 30 people are sitting in different places, but we connected, right? How we connected?
Through Zoom.
Through Zoom. So Zoom, we can say that is also one of the integration over here. Okay, so this is the general definition of this integration, but don't tell this definition in the interview. Why? Because interview always we need to explain in a technical way. So that's why I'm giving one more definition for this integration. This is called technical definition. So here integration is nothing but it is a technology which is used to transport and transform the data between end systems. So what do you mean by end system over here? So end system is nothing but it could be anything. It could be SAP, it could be Salesforce, it could be file, database. So let me show you practically. So suppose, let me click on red bus. So what we will do with the red bus?
We book the ticket.
We can book the bus ticket, right? So here what I'm giving source as Hyderabad. Our target is Bangalore destination. So the moment I click on search bus, what will happen?
They are showing bus timings.
Okay, it will display all the available buses, right? See how we are getting this information
From the database.
Okay, that database is nothing but one of the end system. Okay, that we can call it as end system. Can you see database? So the moment you click on send button or submit button, what will happen? So the moment you click on search bus, internally one API will call and it will interact with the database. Based on your conditions, it is going to fetch the data from the database and it is going to display that information to the end user. Okay. So these guys, they are going to maintain some database. From there, it is fetching the data and giving back to the user. Got it? So like this, not only database, we do have so many target systems. Okay, that's target systems would be SAP, Salesforce, okay, file services, mobile, web, database, so many things will be there. So this we can call it as an integration. Integration is nothing but the communication between any two is known as integration. Like between two softwares or between two applications or between two human beings, like this. Is this clear?
It
Okay.
is definitely only two or more than two.
More than two, minimum two, right?
Okay.
See, you cannot talk with you, right?
Yes, yes.
You can talk with someone, maybe your friend, your mom, your dad, or someone, right?
Yeah.
Like this, minimum two will be there. Then only some communication or interaction will happen, right?
Yeah. So it is a communication between two or more than. That's it.
Very good. Two or more, you can call it as.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next. So what and all the softwares required for MuleSoft? Okay. For every tool or every programming language, every framework, there are certain softwares will be there, right? For this MuleSoft also, we do have some set of softwares. Okay. Are we going to install all the softwares in the organization? Many people are working with a different technology, right? So by any chance, did you install any software in your organization?
No.
No. Very good. Then who is going to install all these softwares?
System administration.
Very good. System admin. Any other answers? Come on. I'm not asking interview questions, right? I'm asking general questions.
By default, it has download.
Very good. By default, you may get. How will get to by default? Imagine you are a MuleSoft developer. Okay. So sometimes what will happen in one project, multiple technologies will be there, right or wrong? Front end will be there, back end will be there, integration will be there. Okay. So let me tell you. See, in the real time, in the office, we cannot install any software at any cost. Okay. Why? Because you do not have permissions to install any kind of software. You are not authorized to install any software. Most of the organizations, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, everything will be blocked, right? Some of the organizations still you can access YouTube and all, but to most of the organization, let me here, please go on mute. Okay, next. So here, what kind of companies will be there? I mean, categories. Anyone know in the software?
Yeah, one is service based and other one is product based. Two
Service
types
product
of,
is that is okay, but
Yeah.
Not like service and product. I can say some medium level companies, low level, CMM, level 1, level 2, level 4, MNCs.
Okay.
Have you heard about this terminology?
Yes, yes, level 1 companies. Yeah.
So, I worked, almost all kind of this organization. I worked with very big MNC. I worked some medium level company, and then I worked with a startup company as well. Okay. I will explain how the procedure will be in all the three companies. Okay. First, let me take very big MNCs. Very big MNC means they will have so much of turnover, right? So what they will do for installing softwares and all, everything, they are going to maintain separate ticketing tools. Have you heard about ServiceNow?
Yes.
So ServiceNow is one of the ticketing tool. So here what will happen? So the moment you join any organization, first what they will do, they are going to create employee ID, Outlook ID for you, right? After that, they will provide you some checklist. If you are a Java developer, what are all the softwares you want to install? They will give you list like this. If you are a MuleSoft developer, they will give list like this. If you are a .NET, SAP, for each and every technology, they will create a spreadsheet like this. Okay. See, suppose I am a MuleSoft developer. Okay. I want to all the list of below softwares. Okay. So they will give you one sheet saying that, hey, please try to set up all the softwares on or before Monday or something. They'll say like this. Okay. So the moment they will say like this, what you need to do, immediately you have to take credentials for this service now. See, I want to buy iPhone, or you want to buy iPhone, what you will do?
We need to go to the shop or we need to serve
Okay.
or online we need to search.
Online, very good. Online, where
Yeah.
you will search?
Like Amazon, we have several.
Okay. We do have so many e-commerce websites. like
Yes.
Amazon, Flipkart, so many, right? So suppose if I want to buy iPhone, what I'll do? I'm going to type iPhone 13. Maybe I want this. Okay. If I want to buy this, how can I buy this? So I'll select this. I can see all these configurations. I can check my budget as well, like whatever the favorite color. Okay. Everything I can select it. After that, what I'll do? I'm going to add this product to cart, right? Then I'm going to proceed to checkout, so that it will redirect to payment gateway. Then I'll do some, guys, please go on mute everyone. Okay, please don't, unmute yourself until unless if you have any question. Why? Because this will be recorded, right? After that, if someone want to watch or you want to watch, you will get some disturbance. So that's why. Okay. So this is how we are going to buy. Similarly, in the organization, very big MNCs, what will happen? We do have some ticketing tool, service now, like this. Okay. So this is also one of the big component. See what is the revenue for this up to 2020? 451 crores USD. Understood? So this is one of the ticketing tool. Here, what will happen? So the moment you receive checklist, you need to log into this ServiceNow portal. It will be like this only. Okay. And what are all the softwares you want to install it, that you have to add to your cart. See, whatever you want to buy, everything you can add to the cart, right? In similar fashion, you have to add all the softwares in your cart. Then you have to click on submit. The moment you click on submit, what will happen? You will have some manager, right? In the organization. So he will receive a mail saying that, hey, this person needs the below softwares. Okay, approve or reject. Two options will be there. If you click on approve, again you will get a mail trigger saying that your manager approved the below softwares. Try to, download all the softwares in this location. Okay. So that what will happen, the moment you click on approve, in the service now we have softwares options. If you go there, automatically what and all the softwares you want, everything will be downloaded over there. You just double click on it and install it. That's it. This is how it is going to happen in the very big MNCs. Okay. If you take some CMM level 1, level 2 companies, what will happen? Their network engineers will be there. Understood? What you need to do? You need to raise a ticket. So once you raise a ticket, you have to send that to your manager and take the approval. Okay, that mail you have to forward to the network engineer, so that network guy, he is going to install all the softwares in your laptop. Okay, this is level 1, level 2 companies will install like this. And the third one is the startup companies. In the startup companies, no procedures, you are the boss. Okay, if it is open source software, directly you can download it from the Google. If it is licensed one, tell them, hey, this is a licensed version. So that what they will do, they are going to buy that, then you can install it. This is how it is going to happen in the software. So I explained 3 ways, right? Apart from these 3, did you guys installed in any other way? I hope many people are working with a different technology, right? Mostly 100% out of these 3 options, anyone you are going to use in the organization. Right or
Yes.
wrong? Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, it depends on how big the company is.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's completely depending on organization to organization. Clear? Next. So this slide is over. Next. Okay, why MuleSoft? Why not other integration tools? Can someone tell me, apart from this MuleSoft, do you know any other integration tools?
I think there's SSIS from Microsoft.
TIPCO,
Very good.
Oracle.
TIPCO,
Oracle.
Telbumi, Oracle SOA, right? So can you see? So other than this Mule, there are so many, I can say many integration tools are there. Apigee, TIPCO, Delbumi, IBM ACA, Talent, Oracle Service Bus, WSO2, Wakato, SnapLogic. Okay, like this, so many integration tools will be there. Okay, why you want to go with the MuleSoft? See, there are so many mobiles are there in the market, like Samsung, OnePlus, Redmi, right? Why you want to go with iPhone?
Smooth operation, many
Many
features.
It is secure.
More secure, right? So there could be some reason, even though price is high, okay, because so many people will prefer iPhone, right? In similar fashion, so many integration tools will be there, but why you want to go with the MuleSoft? Why not other integration tools? This is the interview question they may ask you, okay? So many other integration tools are there, right? So compare with all these integration tools, why Mule? Why it is important? Like why you learn this Mule? Okay. So what is your answer?
It is flexible to use. That is the first one, and easily we can handle the tool. So navigation and everything is better compared to other tools. Somewhat easy.
No, drag and drop will be there same in WorkAt as well.
I think we can answer this after we finish the class though.
Okay, so here, see, so many other integration tools will be there, right? So first thing is easy to use. Compared to this, WorkAt also it will be easy. Everything will be drag and drop only here also. Okay. So only we cannot say the simple reason saying that okay, drag and drop will be easy in the Mule. Okay, not like this. First thing is in this Mule, okay, all services will be available in single place. So first let me explain this slide. First thing, it is going to support more than 350 components or connectors. Can you see? If you come back here, you can see these are the components, connectors. See, so many will be there. Apart from this, if you want to connect with the Salesforce, see, so many operations will be there. Okay, right? If you want to connect with the NetSuite, see, all these operations will be there. Like this, more than, say, Workday, if you want to connect with this. So by using all these components or connectors, you can connect with any kind of, you can integrate any kind of application very easily. Understood? This is the point number one. And point number two is here we are going to use one data view concept. What this data view, it is going to help you to convert message formats in very faster way. See, let me show you some example. So suppose you are getting some data, okay, that data will be there in the form of XML, okay, JSON. So now you want to convert to some maybe CSV. One second. So let me write something. ID. Okay. See, now I have some JSON data. Okay. See, I have JSON data. Now I want to convert this to CSV. See, fraction of seconds I converted entire message format from JSON to CSV, JSON to JSON, or JSON to some DWL, or JSON to some AML. See, or JSON to some XML. You will get error. Why? Because for XML always we need to use some root tag something. See, now I converted. See, very fast. I can say faster implementation of complex transformation. So this is the another reason most of the organization they will prefer this MuleSoft. Well established partner ecosystems, awesome documentation and training video support on MuleSoft. See, suppose if you want to learn something, okay, you will get each and everything detailed document. See, if I log in here, okay, let me show you some. See, if you scroll down, you will get all the documentation. If you open this, proper complete documentation you will get for each and every concept. So documentation, click on it. So awesome documentation you will get it for all the concepts. Okay. See, if you want here, so many concepts will be there. What and all you can filter it. See, proper documentation will be there with the proper screenshots, and also you will get some awesome videos as well, training videos, everything. Okay. And also, can you see, this is important. This is what I supposed to explain. We do have inbuilt monitoring tool, visualizer tool, policies, log tracing, all will be available at a single place. If I go here, can you see? If I click on this, monitoring, secret manager, visualizer, for all services will be available in single place. But whereas if you take this TIPCO, okay, some Delbumi, some other Apigee tool, for monitoring, again we need to buy a separate tool. Okay. For logs, we need to buy separate service. So that's why compared to all these other integration tool, MuleSoft is best. Why? Because these are the couple of reasons. Understood? If you go with 1 year or 2 years experience, definitely they may ask you this question: why Mule? Why not some other integration tools? So what are the advantages with this Mule? So questions they may ask you like this. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So let me explain one scenario. Sometimes, nowadays, right, many people, they will put some fake experience and they are attending for interviews. Right or wrong?
Yes.
So in the manager, he may ask you question, hey, how you will get the work? How will get the requirement? So question he may ask you. If some people, you guys already working, right? So you are a genuine person. You know how will get your work, right? On daily basis. Few people will be there. They did not attend, they didn't work up to now because these guys, they don't know how they will get the requirement, right? So in the manager round, they may ask you questions like this: how will get the requirement? What and all your day-to-day activities? Like this, they may ask you. So that time, even if you learn this MuleSoft also, if you are not able to answer this question, you will be rejected, right or wrong?
Yes.
So first thing, you have to know this truth. See, you guys are working some company, right? It could be anything. It could be IBM, Infosys, anything, or Microsoft. So that's why I mentioned some XYZ company. Okay. We do have two kind of companies, product based and service based. Product means they are going to develop their own products. Okay. So they don't want any client. Understood? So in the entire world, we do have only 20 to 30% of product based companies will be there, right? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Remaining 70% all are will be service based. Service based means they are going to provide their services to their clients. Understood? If you take IBM, Infosys, Cognizant, okay, Accenture, these are all top companies, right? But these are all product based or service based?
Service based.
Service based companies. Okay. What these guys will do, if they want to get some projects, they need some clients, right or wrong? If you are working IBM means you are not going to work IBM products, right? You are going to work with so many other technologies with the different clients. Understood? So first thing, you will get the requirement from your client. Client will share the requirement to your organization. Okay. If they want to get this project, what they will do, they are going to do some SLA. SLA is nothing but service level agreement. This agreement between client and company, you are not going to involve anywhere. Understood? So once your company got the project, what they will do in your company, architects will be there, managers will be there. What these guys will do, they are going to divide that project into sprint wise. Understood? Have you heard about sprint?
No, sir.
Okay. Others? Some people are working, right? What do you mean by sprint?
Like within that certain period, we need to finish the project, like 40 days, 30 days. They
Okay.
will occur.
Yeah. Very good. So sprint is nothing but they are going to divide that project wise into sprint. Sprint means some particular time period. Some companies they are using 10 days. Some people they are using 15 days. They will consider it as one sprint. Okay. So in one sprint, we need to complete this activity. Understood? So like this, they are going to divide that entire project into sprint wise, maybe 20 sprint or 30 sprints. Okay. So every 2 weeks, you have to complete one sprint. In the sprint, what they will do, they are going to assign a story or theory in the Jira board. Have you heard about Jira?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
So what do you mean by Jira?
Jira is a ticketing tool, sir. Generally, from there we will get the tasks.
Very good. So Jira, you can call it as instead of ticketing tool, you just call it as a project management tool. Okay.
Okay.
So here what will happen, once they got the requirement, what they will do, they are going to assign that requirement in the Jira. Understood? So once they will create a story or theory in the Jira board, what will happen? So they are going to assign that requirement over here. Okay, I'll show you how to create this Jira account in the coming classes. Here they will assign your story or theory. Let me make it as Zoom. Can you see? Develop a new API checkout experience. Okay, like this, they will create it. Here we do have couple of options. Can you see? To do, in progress, done. That means in the to do, you have to do it these 29 tasks. Not only you, so many members will be there. Can you see? This story is assigned to this guy. Okay. This story is assigned to this girl. Okay. So to do means you have to start this. Once you start this, immediately you have to change this progress to in progress. That means you need to drag and drop this here. Okay. That means it will be there in progress. Okay. Why you want to move from here to here? The moment you drag and drop from here to here, your scrum master, your architect, your team, they will come to know, okay, this guy is working on this API. Okay, once you completed, what will happen? You can keep in review and then progress. Click on this checkbox. So that what will happen? You completed this, someone need to review whether you implemented a proper functionality or not, right? So like this, they need to do it. Okay, once after completion of review, if you said everything is okay, then you can move that to done. So that what will happen? You have completed this work successfully. Okay, this is how they are going to monitoring your work on daily basis. Understood? This is also mandatory. Okay, so you don't want to, learn technology or tool. Okay, you need to learn the entire procedure. Okay, once you go to organization, what will happen? Who is going to assign your work? Okay, what kind of tools mostly they are using in the organization? Everything you need to learn when you are showcasing some fake experience. Understood? So no one will come to know, like you do not have experience on this mule or something. You have to behave like this. Okay, everything like you have to explain to them, okay, in my organization I may get the requirement from the client, and the moment I receive their requirement, my architect or manager, he is going to create a story or theory in the jira board. Okay, so once they will assign, I will get a mail trigger. Immediately I will take that jira id and I'll go to the jira tool. I will see my requirement, then I'll start working on it. Once it is done, I'll move to that in progress. After that someone need to review that. After that it will be in the done state. So this is how I'm going to follow in my organization. Like this you have to explain to them. If you say like this, sprint project, jira ticketing tool, like this, they will come to know, okay, this guy at least will have some idea on this, how the end-to-end project flow. Got it? So one more thing, for 1 hour I cannot explain complete demo. Okay, what I will do, I'm going to offer you next 2 to 3 classes completely free of cost. Okay, if you join this course or not, try to attend the next 3 classes free of cost. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so many
Okay, sir.
things will be there to explain. Okay, but 1 hour I cannot deliver everything. So that's why try to attend 3 more classes free of cost, completely free. You don't want to pay a single rupee. Okay, timings will be same, 8
Okay,
to
sir.
9. And okay, I will take your questions now. So before taking questions, I will tell you some common questions because I handle so many batches. Okay, I do have very good experience in delivering the technology, and at the same time, what are all the questions people they ask you. So first question is, sir, I'm into non-IT background. I'm into mechanical, I'm into civil, I'm into lecturer. Okay, I'm into some XYZ. Can I learn this MuleSoft? Yes, 200% you can learn this MuleSoft. It is very easy. I can explain you, how to become an expert in this Mule. Okay, that is the first question and answer. Second question is, so what is the course duration? The course I designed for 35 hours. That means 35 working days. Got it? Next question is, what is the course fee? So people to whom you contacted, you can ask them. They will tell you the course fee. Okay. And the next question is, I have some 6 years gap, 10 years gap, 3 years gap. Up to now, I did not work. Okay. How can I do that? So for this, I can guide you how to put some experience and all, everything, how to fulfill your gaps, everything. I will take a session at the end. Okay. Next. Okay, these are the common questions. Apart from this, do you have any other questions?
No, most of all, these are the questions we are.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain like at the end of this session, like after 30 days period, you will
Yeah, yeah.
provide any real-time project?
Okay, cool. So, good question. So what you will get in this course? So my first question is, what you will get in this course? Everyone can teach this course. Why I want to join Univer Institute or with you? Why not some other institutes? Okay. The first reason is, here from day one onwards, everything you will get practical. No theory session. Theory will be 10 to 15%. So the remaining 80 to 85% completely practical. First thing. Second thing is, I am going to help you to clear MCD level 1 certification. I forgot to explain that. Let me go back to that PPT. See, at the end of the course, you will get interview questions topic wise, company wise, phase wise. Okay. All three kind of categories, I am going to provide you all the interview questions, resume preparation, some personal references. Personal references means many of my students are working with some companies. If any openings will be there, I am going to post you all the openings in your group so that you can apply that. And someone asked me, will I get any project? See, you will not get complete project. What you will do, we are going to offer 5 live APIs in the design. Okay. In the design RAML, many people, what they will do, they will explain you some student API, calculator API, right? Some employee API, right? That even you will get it in the YouTube. Why you want to join here? Why? Because you will get 5 live APIs. Live means in the organization we are getting APIs, right? That we are going to showcase you. You can ask me question, hey, how you are going to showcase Office APIs? We are working some freelancing projects as well. That projects designs we can show to you. Okay. And then I can show you how to connect with MySQL database. I will install it on your machine and I can show to you. Okay. And apart from this, certifications. Okay. Can you see in Mule we have 3 levels of certification. Recently one more certification they introduced, MCD level 2. Okay, this they recently introduced. Okay, MCD level 2. Okay, so first one is MCD level 1. MCD is nothing but MuleSoft certified developer. Okay, level 1. That means this is the entry level exam. It will cost you around $250. In our Indian currency, almost it will be some 18 to 19,000. Okay. So here in this course, you will get this MCD level 1 certification completely free of cost. Okay, I can help you, I can promise you within 15 days you will become a MuleSoft certified developer. That I can promise you. I can help you how to get this certification free of cost. What kind of question they may ask you, questions, answers, everything I can provide you. Okay, next one is MCPA, MCIA. Okay,
I have a question. Do you have vouchers for those, or how are you gonna cover the $250? Are you gonna?
no,
How
you
you
don't
get-
want to pay $250. I can help you to get the voucher free of cost.
Oh, okay.
And also in this MCD level 1, 60 questions will be there. All 60 questions and answers I can give it to you, so that you can pass this exam very easy. Okay, that kind of help I can do it. Okay, next, MCPA. MCPA is nothing but MuleSoft certified platform architect, MuleSoft certified integration architect. If you want to only voucher, you have to pay $375. Okay, this is, if you want to go with these two certifications, these are all architect level. At least you have minimum 4 years of experience into Mule. 4 years means genuine experience. Then only you can go with this. In the organization, what will happen if you are performing very well in the projects? What they will do? They will give it to you free of cost. So what do you mean by 3750 6250? See, if you want to go with this MCIA, MCPA training, no one will give this training. Okay, only MuleSoft company itself, they are going to provide training. Okay, this MCIA training will be there in 5 days, only 5 days. What it? For 5 days you have to pay this much of amount, $6,250. This much of value, the certificate. Understood? 6250 means almost in our Indian currency 4.6 lakh something, right? So this you will get it free of cost in your organizations. Okay, so right now our aim is to finish this MCD level 1. This I can give you free of cost. Okay, next, you will get it, SQL training videos free of cost. Okay, why we are giving SQL videos free of cost means most of the organizations, they are going to use some database. In the database we have some queries, right? Select star from EMP, insert into values some table, right? Those are all very new to you, right? So that's why we are offering SQL complete videos free of cost. Okay, so these are the things you will get it in my course. Okay, any other questions now?
One more question, sir. Actually, at the end of course, we will try to give our interview only. But for example, we couldn't clear the interview. So that time we need proxy, means like you will do, sir.
I can help you, but don't prefer that. Why? Because I am going to provide almost all the interview questions and answers. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you prepare very well, so you don't want to go with this proxy. Can you see?
Yeah.
What and all
Yes.
you can see? These are all PPTs, interview questions and answers. So let me show you
Yeah,
something.
mostly we will try to give, sir, but some situations in some interviews they will ask real-time scenarios, so we couldn't
I will
clear
tell
that
you
time.
what and all question they may ask you in the interview. I'm going to cover
Okay.
almost all. See,
Okay.
questions and answers will be there. Everything I prepared.
Okay.
Even if you don't know how to tell about yourself, okay,
Okay.
that is also I prepared PPT, so that
Okay.
everything I prepared very clear manner. So if you go through here, See how you need to explain your self details, like introduce yourself. Guys, someone making noise, please go on mute. Okay. See how you need to explain to the interviewer that I wrote it. Then immediately they may ask you, what are all your roles and responsibilities in your project? That is also I mentioned. Okay. Then one project you have to explain. In this, they may ask you, what is your source? What is your target? Okay. Like this, all are some PPTs I prepared. This PPTs also I can share with you. Okay. I can promise you, if you go for any interview, whatever the questions I'm giving, in that 50 to 60% you will get it. If you prepare all these interview questions, 200% you can crack the interview. Okay. That guarantee I can give you. Why? Because so many of students, they got placed. So that's why I'm giving this open channel.
Uh,
Okay.
when you pass the interview,
Hey, I'm so sorry, your voice is cracking.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, now better.
Yes, given that you passed the interview and everything, with this course, what are we able to perform the job perfectly, or like are we gonna have some struggle in the beginning?
No, why? Because everything I'm going to explain you very practical, and what and all I used in my previous project, everything I can explain you very clearly. So you don't want to struggle in the office as well. Aram you can do the projects. Still, if you are not able to do anything, if you are stuck somewhere, you can post that question in the WhatsApp group. I can help you after completion of your course also. Okay.
And maybe another question. I'm not familiar with this MuleSoft. What is the starting salary for it in the US?
US is market is too good. Recently, one of my student, she cleared that exam. Sorry, she attended interview. She got offer with one of the organization. They offered her $115 per hour.
105?
115.
115 an hour?
Yes,
Wow.
115 per hour. Imagine
That's-
how much market is there. See, if you are
That's-
sitting in US, I know so many consultancies. I can refer you. Okay, they will
Okay.
push your profile and your resume will fly like anything. That promise I can give you.
Okay.
I
Thank
can
you.
share their contacts. Okay, I can help you.
I think that'd be awesome.
Yep, sure, definitely.
So
Any
I
other
have a
question?
doubt regarding placements opportunities. By joining this course, can we get any placement opportunities from your side?
That's what I'm saying. From my end, I'm going to provide you some references. Okay, so reference is nothing but if I give that mail ID or mobile number, you can share your resumes to them. They are going to schedule your interview. Okay, you have to perform it in the interview.
Okay, sir. That means we will get 100% placement opportunities for interviews.
Correct.
At least for interviews.
Yeah, that I can guarantee you. I can promise you.
And by this course and the questions which you are providing us, from that we can easily crack the interview.
200% you can crack the interview.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it like a fresher thing or fake experience thing, sir?
No, if you have gap, better I can suggest you can go with some experience so that you will get some awesome package.
Okay, freshers can also apply. Like
Freshers
recently
also
passed
can.
out.
Yes. Recently, one of my student, he got opportunity with 2 companies. One with Cognizant, another one is IQVIA. Okay, IQVIA is one of the product-based company. So they offered 10.5 lakh as a fresher. This company. And he got one more offer with the Cognizant. They offered 5.4 lakh package.
How many years of experience we can put after this course? Minimum
See,
experience.
that depends upon your gap. That depends upon how you are going to practice. So many factors will be there. Don't worry about this. After completion of your course, I will take one separate session for your experience. Okay, everything we will talk that at the end of the course.
This course will be completely based on Mule 4 only or Mule 3
Mule
also
4.
because
There is no
Mule
Mule 3. Almost 98% of the companies they are using Mule 4. Okay.
correct.
Only 5% they are using Mule 3. That is also they are going to migrate that Mule 3 to Mule 4 projects.
Okay. How you would call sir who is having 3 months of notice period?
3 months will be less. I can promise you. 3 months. See, suppose if you are immediate joiner, you may get 10 calls. If you are 3 months of notice, you may get 3 to 4 calls.
Okay.
Okay. That will be there. Why? Because see, suppose someone want to see, you are working one company, right?
Yes, sir.
See, your company, they want to recruit me. What they may ask you? They may ask you, can you join within a month or within 15 days? If I said 3 months, they won't accept. But if they want to relieve you within 50 days, they won't accept. Right or wrong?
Correct.
You need to serve 3 months. See, this is the common problem in each and every organization. They are looking for immediate joiners, but they won't leave their employees early. So that is the problem.
Sir, if after the class, can you give any questions like
Not
practice?
see, daily. I can give you one task, 2 to 3 interview questions on daily basis. Okay, and I'm going to share you after completion of 2 weeks. I will share all the interview questions. Almost I have some 200 or 300. All questions and answers I can provide to you, so that I try to prepare side by side parallelly. So after completion of course, immediately you can keep resume and you can attend interviews.
So daily after the class, you can give any assignment or any.
Yeah. Daily I
But-
can give you assignment, interview questions, everything I can give you.
Okay. Once I have paid for the class, what is the
Sorry?
time? What is the
Timing will be
timing?
fixed 8 to 9.
Okay.
Because 10 to 6 I have office, 10 to 7. So I'll take morning 2 batches, evening 1 batch.
So what is the timing of evening?
Evening already I started. That is almost 15 classes got over. So again I'll start next month on.
Evening timing, sir. If you start a new batch.
Evening 7 to 8. That may take some time. Next month only I'll start. Okay, guys. Try to attend remaining sessions free of cost. Okay. Same link, same time. Okay.
Sir, is there any offline classes or
No
it is through
offline.
online?
Okay.
Only online. So the main difference between offline and online, you can see only my face. You will not get recording. But here in the online, you will get recordings as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, one more
Sir?
doubt.
Yes.
Work
Sir,
from
my
home.
One by one.
Okay, please continue, ma'am.
I'm from agriculture, but do I need to learn any apart from this course?
No, Stravani. You just go through whatever I'm explaining from day one onwards. So it will be easy, irrespective of any background, whether you are into agriculture or civil or mechanical or faculty, no matter. Okay, you don't want to learn extra anything. So everything I will explain you from scratch.
Okay, thank you.
Not programming, right? SQL Server developer or Java developer. It's
No,
not
no
like
programming. No program.
no depending tools, right? Only MuleSoft direct.
Yes, we have to integrate with the different systems. Say suppose if you want to insert some records into Salesforce, you don't want to learn Salesforce. You have to connect with that system. That's it. Understood?
So no need programming, coding knowledge.
No programming, no coding. That's why I'm saying try to attend 4 classes free of cost. You will come to.
Okay, sure.
Okay, guys. If you have any other questions, I'll take in the tomorrow session. Okay, then I'll start your class. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks, all. Thanks for joining us.
Sir, last question.
Yes.
How to refer my friend to this course, sir? Directly give the WhatsApp number to him,
Yeah.
or he need to register?
No need to register. For free classes, you can give it to them. Directly, you can share this link to him. Okay.
Sir, will you
Okay,
provide
okay.
videos, sir?
Yeah. After completion of your
Recorded class.
class, you will get the recording video. See, this demo session also, you will get it within 2 hours to your WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah,
sir.
okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.